Great. Welcome to the FADA event. Thank you so much, FADA, for having us here. And thank you all for giving us a few minutes to talk about Spinny. So Spinny is a 10-year-old company. We have been in this space trying to transform the used car industry. You saw a lot of videos that we played as well. The vision that we have is that we're trying to build a full stack platform. Right from the time someone starts researching what car they want to buy, which is when they would probably come onto the Autocar magazine or the Autocar platform, to then going ahead and actually buying the car, which would mean buying it from us or perhaps buying it from the new car dealerships. We do this buying journey in about 20 cities. We provide the cars which are fully refurbished. We also sell to actually used car dealerships, not just to customers. And we also provide financing as well as insurance on these cars. In terms of selling, we buy from 75 cities. So 75 plus cities, pan-India. We are buying about 12,000, 13,000 cars on a monthly basis. A lot of it coming from customers, but a lot of it coming from dealerships such as yours. And finally, to finish the whole journey, not just about buying, selling, and researching, if you want to get services done, if you want to get your car maintained and after sales, especially used cars which people do not like to take to the OEM service centers after 4 to 5 years have passed, at that point in time comes in Go Mechanic, our services platform. So that's the full stack that we've created at the moment. We are trying to create a world-class platform here. What you can see here is the Spinny hubs. We have about 57 hubs which are in the mall format. What you also see here are the Spinny parks. We have a large number of parks with huge capacity. 500 plus cars can be parked in each of the parks. All assortment that you can imagine, from a lakh rupee car to 60 lakh rupees car, will be available at these parks. And we have our own refurbishment centers where we do refurbishment in a multi-brand way. All of this we've combined together to ensure that we are delivering 2.7 lakh transactions on an annual basis. We want this number to be 4 lakh, and hopefully with your support, we will reach there. Not just that, we also have very deep partnerships. We believe in building an ecosystem, so we have very deep partnerships with OEMs as well. We are partners with Tesla. We are their preferred exchange partner in the country. We are also partners with the Tata Group. We are their preferred dealership partner. We are also their EV partner. Similarly with MG as well, we are their exclusive and preferred EV resale partner. And we also have a partnership with Nissan. Not just the OEMs, our belief is that the ecosystem should expand to all players, and hence we're here today to talk about the offering that we have with all of you, which is our partners, our dealers. How we partner with all of you is that we purchase, exchange, and trade in vehicles. And as you can see, there is a large gamut of reasons why there are benefits in doing this transaction for you. We provide the best rates in the market for used cars. We actually provide a full seamless and digital experience. We ensure that there is no risk of bad procurement that you guys are facing. We ensure that you do not have to take any sort of evaluator costs, any sort of manpower costs. So fundamentally, we solve what is a very deep hassle for you so that you can focus on the core business, which is actually selling of new cars. We got a lot of requests last year that there is lack of transparency in the used car markets. It's can be fairly murky and corrupt market. And hence, what we've also brought to the market is an industry-first dealership procurement platform, where you can track each and every car that is being inspected at your dealership, what price are we giving, so that that lack of transparency which happens between the used car and new car team goes away. And that's what Spinny Circle is about. We partner in several different ways. So we can do stock inspections, which is basically after you have given the price to the customer, bought the exchange car. We can also do customer evaluations. We go to people's doorstep and do customer evaluations if you ask us to. And we have exclusive exchange counters as well, which means that we will manage your counter end to end and ensure that you have the best exchange rate possible. What we have observed is that when you go from left to right, when our partnership runs deeper and deeper, we are easily able to achieve more than 10% increase in the exchange rate that the dealership has been seeing, which leads to a great increase in bottom line, because fundamentally that just means more new car sales. Even in terms of the used car P&L, it's not just about new car increase, but a lot of people, we've realized, you'll see here on the left-hand side, when you think of a used car, you think of the gross margin that is being made. You probably will be making 7, 8, some people will make 6, some people will make 9. That's the percentage you have in mind when it comes to gross margin. But when you add in all the costs associated, right, when you add in the manpower that is needed, the refurbishment that is needed, the working capital that goes in, the rental, the opportunity cost that you could have deployed elsewhere, and the fact that you can get hit by inventory cycles. We all remember what happened in the month of October when so many cars stocked up, which suddenly got devalued. So giving all of that, fundamentally what you get down to is about 1% or 2% in terms of the margin, the net margin that you make. Whereas when we come in, when Spinny comes in, we're able to offer up to 4% of the car value. And that's the used car P&L that you can then start looking at. That also frees up your team to actually focus on new car sales. So it's a win-win, because you get to do more new cars and you get to have a very stable used car revenue generating stream. So our team is here today, sitting at the back. Do come to us if you want to partner with us. We would love to have a discussion with any of you, all of you. In case today is busy, circle@spinny.com is where we are. Would love to explain all our models and do something together so that we can help grow your business. Thank you.
Thank you so much.